Cheesy bastard.
I'm gonna make sure. Especially, I think we're gonna close the lock of this one more. Unfortunately, it's just taking something out. It's very sensitive. Do you guys want to move out?
There's no point in
Are you okay? I know this is hard, but just understand this is nature. So what happens is these males, you can see he is pursuing this female. And it's okay, yeah, this is going to be quite.
Do it at least.
It's the mother.
We're in front of yeah, Adrian, unfortunately, this is a couple days now. Where are we? Yeah, I think let's keep it as a sensitive sighting. A little bit harsh. Okay, copy. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking.
I'm totally shaking.
Before?
Really?
Have you seen that before? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, I don't know.
Yes, again.
That's it.
I'm so sorry, Mama.
What are the three males called?
Cuckoo males.
Kuklu males.
About five boys.
Can you see him?
From on top, you can see him.
She didn't really like run after the cub though, very cute. She kind of took her time. I can see his head.
One is coming to John.
Eh?
One is coming to
No, he says we can view it if your guests want to view it, but